Hello, how's it going? Can you guys hear me? I think you guys can hear me now. I didn't have the mic turned on. That's so bearish. What's up, everyone? What's up, Patrick? Elixio, he says, Toad, please. Is Toad still going to the moon? I need a quick 10x. LFG, what's up, Bad? What's up, Flipcoins? How's it going? Okay, you guys can hear me now. For some reason, I didn't put the mic up on the thing. I was talking to myself. Let's switch to the larger screen. He says Toad's still going to the moon. Yeah, we're still just not doing anything yet. But yeah, if Toad's still going to the moon, that's going to be sickening. Oh, I got to pull up Deck Screener first. But yeah, how you guys doing? I just jumped on the live stream here quick while I have time. It is Sunday, house full of people. So I don't know how long this is going to last, just to be honest. But we will have some good ones tomorrow. Deck Screener. Get set up on a schedule and a rotation at some point. Trying to get Deck Screener to load. Come on, computer. Oh, gotta verify I'm human. Alright, we got Deck Screener up. Toad is on Solana. Elixio says crazy day. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. 13 people in here. Toad, is Toad still running? I should have bought so it would go to 0. It's up 13% on the hour. Toad on Sol had that nice looking chart and then it just ran. It's back down below. I don't know if it was above the 618 at 2.9, but we'll see what happens here. It is the weekend. Maybe tomorrow these things will start turning around again. But Toad's below the 1618 at 2.9. That's your next level to get over. Support to hold is the 1414 at 7014 there. But it still looks extremely bullish here. What's up, Charles, PJ, Pa? How you doing? Got a 3x going so far on Robbie. I think it's got ways to go. Patrick says he's got a 3x already. Yeah, and I may be coming down with something. I don't know. Halfway through work today, I just started coughing and sneezing, and I don't know if you guys can hear it in my voice, but not feeling 100% at the moment. But he said, what, Robbie? But we'll see what happens with Toad here. It went vertical, so. What is Robbie on, Sol? I'd imagine. Did I spell that wrong? Robbie to the moon. Robbie, no, I spelled it right. Robbie on ETH, okay. I love the quick answers. This is it here, huh? Robbie the little robot. Don't tell me this is it. Is this it? I can't do anything with this. If this is it. Robbie on ETH. Ryan Long says, sorry to do it, but Moonwell, please, holding good. Alright, so this is it. Robbie, we're going to have to zoom way in on Robbie. 4-hour time frame. Doesn't look bad on the little 4-hour time frame here. This is actually bullish here. But there's no way to tell if this thing's going to continue running. I'll just tell you that right now. I can't even draw anything. There's no wicks on these candles. So trying to TA a brand new meme coin is not easy. Yeah, I would just say you got to get back over 3.3 to be bullish again. You're at 2.75, and then 4.00. Sorry about that. And then 5.0, break the high, and then it'll start running again. But on the larger time frames, it's just, I don't know what to tell you. Hopefully you get more than a 3x on this thing, but I would not be greedy. 500 holders, 2.7 million market cap, Robbie on ETH. That's why you don't put a lot of money. Don't pull a Louise and put $2,000 on something. You do what you want, but I don't think I would ever do that. Robbie on ETH. But yeah, I can't really do anything with it. There's nothing here to do anything with. Let me go down to the smaller 2-hour chart. Yeah, I told you guys that I'm not feeling the greatest. So if I sneeze out of nowhere, I apologize right now. I feel one coming on. Ooh. Yeah, this is the best I can do with it. But yeah, I hope you make more money on it. As long as it stays above 2.3, which it's been, well, I'm not even going to say that. We're just going to keep it at that. Robbie to the moon. Yeah, that's the way to do it, Patrick. Just take profits when it runs and just let it ride. Flipcoin says hit the like buttons. Hit the like button, not the like buttons. Well, I guess there's 2 like buttons. We're on Twitter too. Can you check AXGT? It's Axendao. Is that a meme coin? High Undead SD going crazy. What's SD? SD. But yeah, things running like Toad and this one here on the larger time frames is just, all you do is do your best. Bad says ICE is the play of this bull market. It's going to have its own blockchain soon. It's like buying Sol, the last bull run. ICE. I have never, well, I maybe have heard of ICE. Is it on here? Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about with ICE. Maybe that's on TradingView. Yeah, I figured it wasn't a meme coin. Alright, so Charles wants me to look at what? You guys are asking for a lot already. What did you ask for? AXGT. Okay, we'll go back over here and look at AXGT. Hey dog, he says an early meme coin to look at is Flip the Frog on Ethereum. Alright, we'll look at that just because we're here. Did you guys hear about the squirrel and the raccoon? Peanut. I was wondering why all those peanut coins were coming out. Peanut the squirrel. I don't know what the ticker is for this, so I'm just typing it in. Damn. Yeah, you got to give me the ticker because there's a billion frogs. And I don't know if it was when I was muted or you guys heard me, but this was just an impromptu stream really quick. I was going to stream tonight, but I had to get it squeezed in here, so I don't know how long this is going to last. Patrick for 5 says, thanks, Undead Lord. I appreciate that, Patrick. Undead Lord. I am the Lord and Master. Avenge Peanut. Yeah, apparently they went into New York and there was a... I've never heard of it. Peanut the squirrel, and there was a raccoon, I guess, that were on social media. Cops went in there and with guns and raided the place and took the animals and euthanized them. They put poor Peanut down. People are outraged about it, but that's why there's these peanut squirrel coins now. Yeah, you guys are asking for a lot. I don't even know what to look at now. He said, I'm trying to still look at AXGT, but we're looking for Flip the Frog that doesn't exist. Flip the Frog. We got 17 people in here. I'm just going to switch this back over since Flip the Frog is a scam. We're going to go back over here. But yeah, I appreciate the 5 from Patrick. We got, yeah, I know. I see you, Ryan. We're going to look at Moonwell. Moonwell to the moon. Moonwell's probably still in the same spot it was last time. Moonwell. AXGT. Okay. I was trying to look back to see what you said. AXGT. Okay, we must have looked at this for you already. Yeah, oh, it looks good here. Weekly chart to the moon. It looks bullish. High to the low. It's over the 236 here, so confirming this is the bottom. I don't know why that is not accurate. But as long as you're over 14.8, you are in this triangle continuation pattern off of this little strong move up. And if we want to take it a little bit further, then we'll simply draw the measured move, which does not have to play out, but I guess it's always okay to look at it. But a potential breakout takes you up to the 618. So it may have a large move to that 618, but if you can't get over the 618, you're going to pull a Moonwell, get stuck, and pull back. But it does look good here. Bullish over 2-1. Where's this thing going to end up? Apparently we didn't put a market cap on here, but AX Axion Dow. So is this going to be a good play? Oh, we did put a market cap. Some of these you ask for, that you guys ask for, I'm gonna have to try, write these down so I can do some updates on the channel to see how much love they get. But anyway, if it comes up and hits a new high, hits $2. I don't know what your target is, but from where it is today to $2 to a new high is a 12.5x. So not bad, decent little move. If it hits the target up here, the 1618 at about 480, 873 million market cap. So I don't know if we drew that on there because that's a good fair target, but that's a 30x. If you think it can hit this market cap there. And take into consideration where it is now in market cap. But that's probably a fair price. I haven't looked at the chat in a minute, so you guys got to give me a minute. What the hell is Well doing? Well to the moon. Yeah, Well's still pulling back as we went over. From the weekly to the daily, it's still sitting up here. It's probably still sitting on the 236 from the last couple of times we looked at it. We have this one, the larger one at 6.4. As long as you're above that, you are still good to go. If we zoom in and we pull it to the most recent little pullback to the high, this is where the price is sitting pretty much right on that 236 here at 8.1. You're at 8 right now, but I wouldn't pick at it too much. It's not going to be perfect, so as long as you're sitting in that general area, damn, I almost lost my mic. As long as you're sitting in this area, it's holding the 236, so this thing is still bullish as long as it holds over that, even down to 6.6 here, and it could push right back up. But the fact, as we've been saying, that it got stuck at the 618 high to the low on the overall macro chart, that's your big price you have to get over, 10.4. Ooh, I have talked about my But yeah, Well's going to be a good one. What's up, Wyatt? I don't know if you answered me last time. Were you the one that sent me $5 on Cash App? AGIX is a company using AI to detect Alzheimer's, and other diseases. Oh, okay. All right, that's something different. Smash the like button, says Wyatt. Oh, Ryan just said, do you do Cash App for donations? Yes, I do. It's in the description of every live stream and every video. But I didn't see that until I just said that. But I remember last night I ended up looking at Cash App and I had $5 in there. And I'm not going to say the whole name, but it was from a Wyatt something. And this is the only Wyatt I know. He comes in here and says, smash the like button all the time. Got 23 people in here. How's it going, everyone? Yeah, I know you guys are asking for a lot of stuff, and I'm trying to get it done. But Ethereum, PJ says EATH looking pretty good. Is that the same one we keep looking at, Ethereum? And what is SD, Pa? If I'm saying your name right, Pa. Come here, Pa. What is SD? Tap protocol. Not me, undead. Okay, all right. I don't know who it was then. Coach Marvin Boxing, what's up? How's it going? I don't know if you've been here before. He says goat on ETH. Is goat? I thought goat was done. Yeah, we'll go back there in a minute. Let's finish here and then we'll go back to Deck Screener. Shadow, how's it going? Welcome back. Bro, have you seen Speedy? Very impressive. Still not too much. Yeah. We look at Speedy every live stream. Every time. Shadow says the market's still free falling. Did you guys watch the latest Ben Cohen video? If you do, it's going to turn you bearish. He's saying we still have, alts are still going to dump a lot, pretty much. We still got a ways to go for a nice fat dump before we go up. What do you guys think about that? We have to go down more before we can go up. He says SUKU. I'm waiting for you guys to ask me something on Deck Screener. Was Alien Base still running? Wait, Ethereum's down below 1200? John says, yeah, he saw the video. Yeah, I watched it at my lunch break today. Turned me bearish and got me sick. That bull run didn't start until December. Yeah, that's what we've been kind of saying lately. Maybe December it starts to finally kick off. So are we going to dump for this month? I don't know. But he said, look at SUKU. I'll go look at SUKU. SUKU, that laugh you heard was my son being retarded in the background. He's a goofball. All right, but yeah, SUKU is looking good here. If we don't end up breaking down for some reason, low to the high, this green line here of support was that final 786 here. The price is curling up. This is like, this is what you want to see on anything that bottomed out, but it's just going completely sideways here. It looks very good. After the breakdown, it's consolidating, and at some point, it's going to break over the 236 at 8.3. Confirm the bottoms here, and if we look a little closer on SUKU, you can get over 7.3. It's going to confirm short-term bottom, and then 8.3 to confirm macro bottom, and then bullish over 9.6, and then macro bullish over 14.5. But it looks good here. If you ever wanted to buy SUKU, barring the market doesn't crash and we go back down to the low, which I don't think that's going to happen. I think that's horse. You know what I mean? Got to watch my language. But looking at it here, SUKU, the target for SUKU we have It is on Coinbase, low market cap. I don't remember what the market cap is right now. But if it comes up and only does a 786 retracement, that's still a decent, almost what, a 12x up to 6.9, 227 million market cap. I think that's very fair. So a solid 12x on SUKU this cycle from where it is right now, with the bottom being put in my opinion. So I don't care what anyone says. The bottom is being put in now. If we go down, we go down. We'll get cheaper prices. We'll hold for another little baby crash. Or you guys will, at least. But if it comes up and hits an 800 million market cap, 450, that's a massive 77, 78x on SUKU. That's a large move. No, he called for it to drop. I don't know what that means. Luis in here again with Pollock on ETH. I don't know what that is. We'll get over to Deck Screener in just a moment. He says Thog D. Thog. He says look at higher. What is higher? He says my decision is to cash out with my only green asset, Arrow, up decently. Convert it, Leak, Ondo, ICP, ETH, ADA, DOT, Atom, Sol, and AVAX. You must be rich, buying into all the old coins. I don't know. My opinion is they're only going to do probably 5 to 10 X's. Higher is a crypto that's 7x. I know, but when I say what is it on here or is it a meme coin? You remember High Street? I haven't covered High Street in forever. High Street. Oh, there's High Street. Yeah, I don't know what higher is. What's the ticker? This? Higher on Poloniex. I'm doing the emoji right now. I'm shaking my head. I can't do anything with this. If this is it, I can go back over to the chat. I have no idea. Might be a meme coin. Goal is 5 to 7. All right, then you got a good play here, Ben. If you just need a 5 to 7x, then you're good. You're golden. You're golden, pony boy. One I remember was Tap Protocol. I don't know if this is what you're looking at, but maybe we'll go look on Deck Screener in a moment. Tap Protocol. Damn it, I thought we had a chart for this. Come on. Let me see. Tap. KuCoin chart. Sure, it's like looking at that chart. Where do you guys find this stuff at? Tap Fantasy? Oh my god. Okay, we're not looking at that one. Alright, it's pretty much the same thing on both charts. What do you want me to do with this? Gotta zoom all the way in. Tap Protocol. It's a very bullish looking chart. Let me go back over to the chat and make sure this is the right one. Oh, that was the one? The higher? I'll go back to it, I guess. You got it on screen. Hi. Okay, I'll put it back up there in just a moment. But you guys are asking for these coins that are just going already. We have to zoom way in just to look at them. I'm trying to make sure I have the right thing on here. Pull that off. All right, let's finish this one real quick. Dog says, who has at least 50% portfolio in memes? I raise my hand. I have 100% in memes. I have one meme coin. Slava, what's up? All right, we're looking at this one here. So we're down here on the 12-hour charts. I'm going to keep it simple, so pay attention. High to the low, it's sitting right on the 786. So as long as you're above $9, you're on that last final level here. It is curled up here, very bullish looking chart, up 127%. I know I have no idea what tap protocol is, but the chart looks extremely well here. So it is sitting and respecting the levels here. So once it breaks through 1157 here and you get momentum through that, then it'll go back up to a new high, which, keeping it real simple, if it holds over 9 and breaks over this level here, about a 19% move, the next stop up is about a 62% move to 1580. That would be the next stop. And I do not know the market caps on this thing. We don't have time today to do market caps and all that. We'll have to do that on a better live stream. But yeah, whoever asked for this thing still looks really good. It looks like it's about to just go vertical. As long as you hold, yeah, low to the high, you're sitting on the 236. So this thing is extremely bullish over this 9 up to 894, 895. So this pretty much level you're bullish, even down to this level at 750. You would still hold the higher lows and still be bullish. Any lower than that, then it's going back down to where it came from. But yeah, that looks good. And then higher. No, I can just probably scroll up to go to higher. Yeah, my voice is starting to go out already. I think I picked up something at work. What the hell is this? If this is it, where were we looking at this? 4-hour, 12-hour. I go down to the 1-minute candles. Yeah, I can't do anything with this. It's just rubbish. It's complete nonsense. I don't know what this is, what it does. I would not touch this. The fact that it can do that, why would you even touch this? Good luck. If I were to draw anything on this, it would be, if you just wanted anything for hope. It came up and got stuck at the 786 every time. But yeah, I can't do anything with this. Is it time to go gamble on meme coins? Shadow token. What's up, Gilberto? Gilberto to the moon. Yeah, we looked at Shadow token a couple times in the past. It's been a while. Slava says, I hope you didn't pick up the flu. I really don't know. Runny nose. Throat is not feeling the best. You guys can hear it in my voice probably. Been sneezing. It started about right before lunchtime today. Coughing and just constant sneezing. I haven't sneezed yet. Good thing here. You think higher chart is weird? Look at Trump AI. It goes up 1000% and then back down every few weeks. And I bet it does, man. If you can just catch one of those, but I don't think it's possible. He said shadow. Yeah, someone said shadow realm the other day. Going to the shadow realm. We're just going to call it the abyss here. I think that's what I've always said. When a coin's going to zero, it's just going back into the abyss. Back into the grave. It was a failed zombie attempt. That's what we'll say. But yeah, shadow. Kind of just rambling here. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Hope everyone else is doing well. But yeah, shadow token we've covered in the past. Damn, it's like it's coming on real strong now. I can feel it. Shadow token. Damn. Yeah, it's been a while since we looked at this. I don't even know what the hell's happening on here. Let me move that off of the chart. Apparently it's going lower. Let me just clear out the chart. Well, no, we have a market cap up here, which, let me see what that is. Yeah, everything's changed since it came down lower, so we're gonna have to make a new chart. I do have this down somewhere because we've covered it before, so I'll probably end up making a new update for it on shadow here. But it already broke this low and it's still going down, so I wouldn't touch this. It's all red, sea of red. This thing's actually going back down into the grave. It's gonna get tucked in. Failed attempt. Back to the abyss for this one. Yeah, the only thing I can really draw is that if it keeps dropping, maybe it comes all the way down to 17.9. Until it establishes some sort of support, some sort of a bottom, a 27% drop. So, in other words, until it consolidates and holds some sort of level, there's no bottom yet. It's going back all the way down. But yeah, I can't really do anything with this right now. Anything I would tell you with market caps or where it's going or anything would just be wrong right now. I'm already 30 minutes in. Let's see what time it is. It consolidated and now it's moving up. I'm trying to see what you guys are talking about. Hoppy and Speedy are probably the next play. Oh, you guys are chatting to each other. Remember, just keep things civil. I don't want to have to ban anyone. You guys are all good guys so far. Damn. He says Stater. Stater. Have we looked at Stater? Yeah, we'll go check out the meme coins before we end up leaving the live stream here, but we're still here for now. Stater. I think I have looked at this before. We must have did one update on the channel before. All right, Stater. If I can get this to fix real quick. All right, we do have a market cap. I don't know if it's changed, but is that all we have is one? I guess so. All right, so this thing from where it is down below the 236, it did have a giant candle spawn in here to get it up, but it got stuck right at that 236 at 6.1. So that, of course, is the price to beat. Once you get over that, the macro bottom is in, and you're also low to the high bullish over that price. So a big price to get over. That's probably why it's getting stuck. A double fib here. Macro bottom and short term to be bullish here. But that's what I would say on that. And then 113 to be bullish, macro wise. And then if this thing runs this cycle, I don't know what the market cap is right now, but if you think it's going to hit a 250 million market cap, easy 10.5x here. And if it breaks the previous high, 1272, I don't know what the market cap would be, $6 to $46. So pretty much times that by 40, huh? Yeah. That would be an 83x. That's a massive move. But it may be a good 10x play. 10 to an 11x play. Hold on. Bubba, can you go see what the dog's doing? If AXGT can pass 4.86, Slava says ban everyone. I'm sick. Ban everyone. Yeah, I need to go back over to the Discord. Every time I go log on the Discord, there's a fake undead, so I have to ban them every time. Oh, that's the wrong stater. Damn. Come on, big top. Are you serious? Stater on Stater SD. Oh, that's what someone was talking about. SD on base. All right, so we're going to have to go over to the gamble side. He says, ORT really quick. He said AXGT. We looked at it before. He says if it passes 486. Oh, you're talking about the top here, the 1618. If it passes that 30x, it'll take you up to the 2272, potentially at $25, and do a 150 to 53x. So 153x if you think you can hit $25. Maybe something in between, but that's what we have here. And then, what did we say? Oh yeah, ORT. What's up? Oh, we got a Twitter person here. Let's shout out the Twitter person. Yeah, we did Moonwell already. Moonwell is stuck at the 618, and it's sitting right on the 236 support, if I remember correctly. But yeah, we did it. And it'll probably be one of the first videos I do, if not tonight, in the morning, because it does get a lot of views right now. Pollock on base. I guess we're going back over here. We need Pollock for Louise, because this is not going to last much longer. Let's see here. I appreciate the words. I appreciate that a lot. Appreciate everyone in here. Appreciate Patrick for the super chat. Yeah, we did Moonwell. But yeah, it needs to break over that 10.4 level. The macro 618. But if you go look at the last update on the channel, it has not changed. It's still exactly the same from that update. But let me go over here to deck screener. Deck screener. Oh yeah, we were looking for Flip the Frog. We never found it. The guy came in and left. Oh yeah, someone said goat earlier. Did they come up with a whole bunch of new goats to where I can't find this? That doesn't look right. That's gold on soul. Alright, I'm not even going to worry about goat. Damn, what am I spelling wrong here? Come on now. Pollock. Pollock on base. Gassy Pollock. This one. Ah. Yeah, this is so bad. Talking about my sickness. It's getting worse as the minutes go on here. Not a bad looking chart. Let's see here. High to the low. Came right up and got stuck at the 618. Short term, it is starting to curl up here. So as long as you stay over 9.2, the bottom is in, and 18.3 is the price to beat to be bullish. Jossie Pollock. And then where's this thing going to end up? Really, all we do with meme coins now is just, you know, if you're going to put money in them, you're pretty much looking for a new high scenario to where it's going to pump and make a new high. 64x almost, all the way up to 1 penny. So if it's going to run, it's going to run to there. We won't accept anything less. 193 market cap, not bad. 147,000 holders. This could be a very good play. But yeah, trying to get an hour in here real quick. Got to get to feeling better so we can do this tomorrow. Hoppy and Speedy are probably the next good plays, or next plays. I already read that. He's got Phantom, CKB, SEI, and Track. I'm reading back through the comments. Eldor, how's it going? I missed you coming in here. NCT to the moon, yeah. Oh yeah, SD on base. SD on base. XCN, Tim, welcome in. XCN, yeah, I'm very bullish on XCN. It looks kind of like SUKU if you were here for the SUKU update we did. It's just consolidating right now. It looks very good. It's on the bottom. Time to go up. T13. Yeah, I understand what you mean there. People from the pre-sale. Just got to be careful. SD on base. Wait, did you say base or ETH? SD. Oh yeah, base has a crazy chart. Let me just type in Stater. Nothing's popping up. SD does not exist, my man. Or at least not on base. What's the actual ticker? SD? Yeah, I can't find it. Pollock is Crazy Janet for you. What is Crazy Janet doing? Is it still going down or is it holding? Yeah, SD. It's that first one. Let me just type SD back in. This one right here. This one says Ethereum. %75% pump. Stater looking good. What's up, Matthew? You sound stuffy. Stay away from the AC if you can. Yeah, I think I'm coming down with something. It is what it is. All right, so this is the right SD. Trying to see what I could say about SD here. A lot of scams, or a lot of wicks all over the place. Of course, there's a lot of scams everywhere. Just quick it simple. It's not over the 236. I mean, it's in a downtrend, of course, so it needs to get over 70. And we're at what? 56. Once you get over 70, it'll confirm the bottom is in. Which this very well could have been the bottom. That's probably why that candle spawned in here. But it has to get over 70 and bullish over 92. And then where's this one going to end up? New high at 231. So if you're holding this one, damn it. And you're going to hold on for dear life. Not a good move on this one, I guess. This one to make a new high. But yeah, the chart doesn't look the greatest. 4x. Got 29 people in here. What do you guys think? Should I keep the streams at an hour or 2 to 3 hours like we've been doing? Crazy Janet. So what are the other coins doing? Let's just run through them real quick. Toad can potentially still go to the moon. Frog we looked at. Benji on base. Oh yeah, all those base coins if you guys weren't here yesterday. Benji, Bonk. What was the other one? Pepe. All of these base coins. Foster. They're going to be good performers. Oh no, where's flip coins? Wait, why is this breaking down? I thought we were holding. Oh, it lost the 382 support, it looks like, unless I'm missing something. Used cars coming down. Why did I do that? So it is below the 382 on these weekly candles, so it looks like it is dropping down. So hold your breath, hold your nose. You're going down 37% here, potentially. It's like, why are we so bearish still? Yeah, you're down below, low to the high 382. Yeah, so it looks like low to the high. It's coming down to the 618 retracement, and it'll probably bounce there. So yeah, I would look for that drop. So is Honk doing the same thing? Honk, honk, honk. Oh yeah, Honk's a front runner. Damn, we were looking bullish on Honk here, and it broke down. But like I said, and like I probably said when I drew that, can't really TA a meme coin too good. So maybe we'll make that a rule: no patterns on TA coins. Not allowed. If you put a pattern on the TA chart or on the meme coin, you're banned for life. But yeah, this is exactly what used cars doing, coming back down. But yeah. Yeah, I just went over used car. I know you have that flip coins. Is he still holding? Are we going down? I don't know. Everything had a nice little run up, and now everything's pulling back. But I would simply say on Honk, as long as you hold this level here, 2.5, that should be it. Izzy real quick. But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming in here. Tomorrow I will live stream longer unless I'm dead sick. Hopefully not. Izzy, was Izzy on? Did they update deck screener? Because things look weird here. Because I remember I thought Izzy was sitting right on support and holding. Let's see. I remember these flat candles here. Oh, alright. It is. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. Low to the high. Yeah, below the 382, I guess. But yeah, it's going sideways. In the middle of nowhere. But it is starting to look like it's going to break down. It should have bounced here. It held and made a new high. Maybe this is where I'm thinking. So it did come down. Maybe. I don't know. It was looking very bullish, and now it's not looking that great at the moment. Cock Inu. Yeah, I just did an update on Cock Inu. He says, any chance it goes back up? Yeah, it'll go back up. I don't see why it wouldn't. But can you hold through a 37% drop? Because we just saw Honk do the same thing. It came up here, and it already pulled all the way back to the 236. And it'll probably hold and then go up at some point in the future. I don't know. The question is, sell here, let it drop, and then buy back in. I don't know if that's a good idea or not. That's not financial advice. But if it's copying Honk, just kind of watch Honk, because Honk's already down here. If Honk starts breaking down below its 236, then used car may follow it. Wouldn't that be something? If we just come up here just to fake us out, and then we're just back down at the bottom. That would be the worst. All right, we're 50 minutes in, but I'm gonna have to cut this short. I appreciate you guys coming in here. I appreciate the one super chat, Patrick. I always appreciate you coming in here. But yeah, I will be off tomorrow, the next 2 days, making updates, and we'll see if I can get up early enough and I'm not feeling like death. If I'm not a zombie, then I will do a morning stream and an evening stream. But yeah, I'll do like you said, hot tea and honey. And I appreciate the one guy from Twitter that came over. We appreciate that. All you guys in here, hit the like button on your way out. None of this is financial advice. I appreciate you all. And peace out.